Hey YouTube, Mr. Kirin here from Computer Repair. I want to make this small video about how you can fix a charging port by alternative method. I don't see a video like this on YouTube. In a case that the computer is very old, has a thin motherboard, almost everything is BGA, and by taking the motherboard to resolder the charging port, you can break the computer, and this computer is pretty much bended over the years. If you look here, my trackpad, and what I did actually, the guy ordered a new port. I put it here from this side. There was an empty space like here, and I soldered a ground and the plus, and the data line is not needed, and just I drilled a hole, a new hole here. You have to do it by hand, because if you use electric drill you're gonna break all the semiconductors in the computer, or you have to use a compressor drill with air. But this is about this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.